Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see 10 lines essay on winter season. Number 1. Winter is most coldest season of the year. 2. It comes after rainy season. 3. In this season, the majority of the days are cloudy. 4th, in winter season, the days are shorter and nights are longer. 5th, in winter season, people wear warm clothes. 6th, people like to take hot tea and coffee. 7th, this season offers many healthy fruits. 8. There are many festivals in winter like Christmas, New Year, Republic Day, etc. 9. It starts in the month of November and lasts till end of February. 10. I like winter season very much. Thank you watching my video. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.